Okay, I kind of hit a snag with the Python course for beginners by programming with Mosh. I know I'm trying Brocode's Python full course for free, the 2024 version. It's a 12-hour course, so much longer than the beginner course that was just like 2 hours. But I'll give it a try. And he mentioned that you can use VS Code if you want to, but that PyCharm is a bit more beginner friendly. So I am going to go with a more beginner friendly version then. So this is the beginning of the course. 2 print statements that are output here. And then comment here, which is comments always begin with a hashtag or a pound sign. And then this is my first Python program. Not really, but also doesn't really seem like a program. Then there's the definition of a variable. And a variable is a container for a value, and there are 4 types of values: string, integer, float, or boolean. And it's kind of important to really memorize it, to really commit these definitions to memory. Otherwise, things get kind of tangled up in the end. So it's a bit of a dumb memorization thing, but it's important that you understand what is a variable, what is a value, what are the types of values that are there. Otherwise, it kind of, you build up on a foundation of not understanding the lingo and the definitions and the concepts, and then this not understanding accumulates or compounds later in the process of learning Python, which is something I just encountered. So it's really important. 4 types of values: string, integer, float, and boolean. Values are contained in a variable. The variable behaves as if it was the value it contains.